And I was like, yeah, they're my audience. And I was like, oh, sorry.
Let's be respectful as she goes. Ready?
My name is Paige, and today I'm going to tell on something that I got last month. Last month was my birthday, and we went to a hotel in St. Augustine. And after breakfast, my sister wanted to go into a clothing store. And there was a big case. And my brother and me really wanted to get one really badly. And so my dad said we could get two, only two. And so we got two, and now they're living at my house. And I just wanted to show you what I did get.
A pillowcase?
No,
I don't understand.
turtles.
Real turtles?
And you can hold them if you want.
Well, if they aren't snapping turtles.
No, they're not.
Okay, you can hold them.
What kind are they?
They're yellow-bellied sliders.
Yes, I can hold them.
Even though I've never seen them. Wait, what happened to that little pumpkin?
Oh, it always goes down.
Okay. Now listen, you have to wash your hands really good when you're done because turtles carry.
Salmonella.
When
And other things.
Oh, they have stingers, don't they?
No, they don't.
Oh, look how
They sure are cute.
Can I read?
Put your hand. Wait.
Read this
Put your hand
one.
out.